Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to move files from one folder to another in Mac. I have got two files in my folder which I am going to move to folder 2. Now in order to move files you need to open both the folders in Finder. Now the first method to move the files from one folder to another is very simple. You need to first go to the folder where your files are kept and then select the files which you want to move. You can press command and then individually click on the files which you want to move, or you can simply press command A to select all the files. Now simply drag the files into the folder where you want them to move, and there you go. Another way to move the files from one folder to another, and this is a pro one. All you have to do is first select the files and then press command C, go to the other folder where you want the files to move and press option command V. And there you go, the files will be moved. This is just like cut and paste from Windows. And with this we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to move files from one folder to another from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.